Hey guys, welcome back to Taitsuki. My name is Sonia, and today it is just me, and we are in like the Minigames Hypixel server. Today I am going to be playing Paintball Warfare. Don't know what Paintball Warfare is? It's pretty simple. It's just paintball. You shoot people with paintballs. So without further ado, let's get started. Oh, you only get. Okay, I'm orange team. Great, fantastic. Let's go. We're booking it. So you get hit once, you're done. Oh my god. Okay. Don't mind my voice, guys. I'm like really stuffy. I have allergies. It's my allergy seasons, guys. Not seasons. It's really bad. I feel like dying. My god, that ball went straight towards my face. Jesus. Wait, is there someone like in our base or something? What was that sound? Jesus, that was really loud. Oh, boogie. I don't know how to get. Oh, okay. What is that sound? It's so horrible. I hate that sound. God dang it. Okay, I'm gonna go this. Oh, shoot. Jeez, what is that? Oh, okay, I got some. I got one. I know I got one. I heard it. Boom, boom. Yeet. It's. God dang it, come on. They're over here. I literally see them. I literally ran straight for it. That was on me. I ran straight into that. He was like shooting. I was like, go straight for it instead of like zigzag. Like I could have like gone like that, but like I did not. Do I know why? No. The amount of times I've died already, it's kind of funny. I've gotten 2 kills, guys. Yay. That hit like the top of my head, probably. There's one right here. I see him. Where'd he go? Oh, what? Hello? What is that sound? That sound is absolutely horrible. Okay, come on. Whew. Oh, well, got stuck. Did we win? I think we won! Okay, bet. Okay, guys, now we're gonna play another round of Paintball Warfare. This guy's head's backwards. That's a little scary. Oh no, his body's backwards. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Oh yeah, and green team. Okay. Holy shoot. Oh my god, I already got shot. God damn. Damn. Run. Dip. Gotta dip. Okay. Woo. Oh, shoot. Come on. Okay. Oh, that horrible sound is back. I see you. Okay. Okay. What is that sound? It sounds horrible. I literally hate it. Oh. Looked away and I died. Okay, what is this lightning? Oh my god. There's a whole like thunderstorm. This man's like a sprinkler. Do you not see that whole line? It's just a straight line of someone going. Oh, we lost. Sad. That sucks. God dang it. We lost. Oh, I'm blue. Okay. Oh, I like this map. This is so cute. It's like a fairy tale, but cute. Well, fairy tales are cute. I'm not gonna lie, but you know what I mean. Okay, it's a little confusing. It's a little more harder to like find people in here, which I totally understand. Was I in water? What? What? Oh, I was in water. Oh, god dang it. I was too focused on like parkouring that I didn't pay attention. Oh my god, that scared me. Okay, I got 2 people. That's fine. It's so annoying. There's people up there, and I want to get them. Get it. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it. Oh, god dang it. Come on, blue man. Let's go. Okay, so like the thing is, I'm bad at parkour sometimes. Like I'm also low-key kind of good at the same time, if that makes any sense. Like it's just like it so happens that I'm like good. Oh, did I get him? I don't know if I got him. I think I did. Oh, we won. Okay, bet we won. I was like concentrating so much on there. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed filming it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a video. And also hit that like button because it would greatly appreciate it and it would help us quite a bit. And if you have like any suggestions on like other games for us to play other than Minecraft, like definitely leave them down in the comments. We will definitely go check them out and see what we can do and see if we can film them. But yeah, without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!